Hi, I'm Jared with Jones Stephens, and today we're talking about the features and comprehensive offering of our PlumBite Push-to-Connect fittings. Jones Stephens PlumBites are a fast method of joining copper, PEX, or CPVC. You'll see the stainless steel teeth lock the pipe in place while the O-ring seals for a leak-free connection. Installation is quick and easy. To install, you simply cut the pipe, mark the pipe to the appropriate insertion depth, and push the fitting onto the pipe. Here we're using a Jones Stephens PEX pipe. Disassembly is just as fast. Using the removal tool, fittings can be easily removed and reused if desired. PlumBites eliminate the need for the use of solder, glue, or heat, or external tools, which can significantly reduce installation times. Ideal for residential applications, Jones Stephens delivers a variety of brass push-to-connect fittings and valves up to 2-inch, and push-on water heater connectors in the most common sizes and lengths. They are the perfect choice for time savings and repair projects. A common situation is a pipe bursting in freezing temperatures. With PlumBite push-on fittings, you can quickly remedy the pipe either permanently or temporarily. Our complete suite of push-on fittings, valves, and connectors are designed with the highest quality materials to ensure system reliability. Install with confidence knowing that Jones Stephens PlumBites hold a generous warranty and meet all industry standards, certifications, and compliance. Cut it, mark it, and push it. It's as simple as that. Visit jonesstephens.com for all your plumbing needs. If you need it, we got it.